How to do spot trading on Kucoin. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to do spot trading on Kucoin. So in order to do the spot trading on Kucoin, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, gonna log in into your Kucoin wallet account. So when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page what you have to do is you need to navigate to the Kucoin trading or spot trading interface. So that's usually located in the assets. So here you could go ahead and select spot. If you're unable to find it, you could go to the home page and press the profile icon from the top right. So from the home page, you should be able to locate the spot trading. So if you go to the trade button, you should be able to locate the spot trading, and here you need to familiarize yourself with the spot trading interface. So here you need to select the trading pair. So it could either be a Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, whatever. Enter your trading password, review the order interface and create a market order, and once you've done that, then you've successfully completed the spot trading on Kucoin. So by following the steps, you should be able to do spot trading on Kucoin. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.